Top 5 Best Bike Repair Stands. Number 5. Feedback Sports Mechanic Bicycle Repair Stand. We also have here the Feedback Sports Mechanic Bicycle Repair Stand, a one-size-fits-all compact tripod floor stand with a spinner knob clamp to securely hold your bicycle in place, and a height-adjustable main bracket frame to lift up your bike for easy access. This bike maintenance stand is made of a 6061 T6 aluminum construction that is durable and stable while remaining lightweight, and is easily portable as it quickly folds down into a tiny package after you're done using it. It's innovative, functional, trendy, and space-saving, everything you could ever ask for when it comes to bike repair stands. It even has an impressive load capacity, all despite its light 10-pound total product weight. 4 tripod floor bike stand with swivel clamp. Extends 36 to 58 inches vertically for maximum working height. Suitable for bikes with tubes of 1 to 1.9 inches in thickness. Maximum weight capacity of up to 85 pounds. Award-winning bike repair stand made in the USA. Coming in number 4. Bike Hand Cycle Pro Bike Repair Stand. In third place is the Cycle Pro Bike Repair Stand by Bike Hand, which is another Amazon's Choice product when it comes to bike repair stands. It's a great option for a portable mechanic work stand for maintaining your mountain bike or road bike. It's made of a lightweight yet durable aluminum alloy combined with a heavy-duty plastic in a T-shaped base with a height-adjustable clamp. But, it's also compact and portable, since it easily folds down after use. Moreover, it also features a 360-degree rotating clamp head, giving you unlimited access when working on your bike. All in all, this one reliable, heavy-duty, and portable bike work stand that you can use in your home or shop. T-shaped floor bike stand with swivel clamp. Extends 39 to 59 inches vertically for maximum working height. Suitable for bikes with tubes of 1 to 2.55 inches in thickness. Maximum weight capacity of 55 to 110 pounds. Comes with a magnetic tool plate and 5-year warranty. Coming in number 3. Feedback Sports Pro Elite Repair Stand. Ranking second is the Feedback Sports Pro Elite Repair Stand, which is an innovative and elegant tripod clamp stand in chrome red. It may be lightweight and compact, but it surely is stable and functional. This bike stand is constructed with anodized aluminum and coated with rubber, so it's not only lightweight, but also durable, corrosion resistant, and protects your beloved bike frame from scratches and damage. Other excellent features of this work stand include quick release fittings, like the push button release, that allow for quick and easy storage, a ratchet action closure and micro adjustability to secure and protect your bike, and a 360-degree rotation capability. Tripod floor bike stand with swivel clamp. Extends 42 to 71 inches vertically for maximum working height. Suitable for bikes with tubes of up to 2.6 inches in thickness. Maximum weight capacity of up to 85 pounds. Can be purchased with a tote bag for storage. Coming in number 2. Park Tool PCS 9.2 Bike Repair Stand. First up is the Park Tool Bicycle Repair Stand for Home Mechanics, an Amazon's Choice bike stand made by Park Tool. It's a strong yet lightweight and compact T-shaped floor bicycle stand that features a fully adjustable clamp. This bike repair stand is made of an all-steel construction with high tensile strength, and is coated with a powder finish to maximize stiffness and durability. It comes in a lovely bright blue frame that is height extendable, and can be used for any bike and seat post in any position. With this maintenance stand, you can rest assured that you will be working comfortably, smoothly, and ergonomically, as your bike will always be safe and secure while you work. And if you're looking for an MTB stand, this one has the widest clamp opening to fit all bikes. T-shaped floor bike stand with swivel clamp. Extends 39 to 57 inches for maximum working height. Suitable for bikes with tubes of 1 to 3 inches in thickness. Maximum weight capacity of up to 80 pounds. Easy to assemble, use, and fold down for storage. Coming in number 1. Bike Hand YC100 STE Bike Stand. But it achieves this by using slightly thinner tubes than some of its competitors. And this means that it's not as suitable for heavier bikes. In fact, the bike weight limit for the YC100BH is 55 pounds, which is almost 30% less than the maximum weights for some of its competitors. Now, 55 lb is not super light. In fact, most bikes will be less than 55 pounds. But if you own a heavy e-bike, cruiser, or fat tire bike, you may find that the YC100BH is just not strong enough to hold it up securely. If this is the case, don't worry, you don't have to forego the incredible value of the bike hand repair stands. Because they also make a heavy-duty bike stand that is specifically aimed at heavier bikes. The YC100 STE bike stand has a maximum load weight of 110 pounds, which is more than the vast majority of other bike stands. So it should be suitable for whatever type of heavy bike you've got. For the tubes, it uses a different, stronger, type of aluminium to the YC100BH. And the clamp arm and adjustment teeth are metal rather than plastic. But other than these upgrades, it's pretty much the same as the YC100BH. It's the same height, uses the same clamp, has the same tool tray, the same legs, and the same quick release levers. The extra robustness obviously increases the weight of the repair stand, it's 14 pounds rather than 11 pounds. But it's the same compact size when collapsed, so it remains one of the most portable bike stands around. So if you're a budget-conscious, weekend mechanic with a heavy bike, or you just want a stronger stand, the Bike Hand YC100 ST is hard to beat. It's a little more expensive than the YC100BH, but it remains incredible value for money. Pros: suitable for heavier bikes, max 110 pounds. Still very cheap. More metal equals stronger. Magnetized tool tray included. Easy to use. Cons: still some plastic parts. 2 legs means it's not the most stable. Max height of 59 inches is quite short.